Hi guys. I would like to introduce you this cinematic professional LUT which you can use in any video editor you got. It can be Premiere Pro, After Effects, DaVinci Resolve, Final Cut and of course, VN Editor. So you can use this LUT even when you are editing with your smartphone. In this video I'm going to explain how to download, install and correct cinematic LUT in VN Editor. First step to get this LUT for free is looking for a password which appears twice in the top right corner during the video. Second, you should follow the link which is down below this video in the description. Or, you can go directly to our website which is presetstore.com. Find this LUT. Open the page with the LUT. Click Download the LUT button. Write the password from this video and click Apply button. Wait for some time. And download the LUT. So now when you got the LUT, you should import it into VN. Open VN Editor on your mobile phone. Choose some videos that you want to apply the LUT on. And now, go to the Filter tab and press the plus icon. Press Import from File Manager and choose the LUT that you've just downloaded from our website. The filter is applied now. Let's modify it a little bit by intensity and adjust setting. Check it out. It looks much better now. Let's repeat the same steps for other videos and look at the final result. We are done. I just hope that everything was clear for you and you got the same result like I did. If you have any question about that, leave your comment down below the video and we will help you for sure. Have a great day guys. See you next time.